So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run this in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it. This will reset the Microsoft Store. Now we can close this out. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to find the program that you're having a problem with. You may need to scroll down to find it. So now once you find it, you're going to click on the three dots. It may say modify or it might say advanced options. If it doesn't say that for you, then you could just skip this step. But if it does say it for you, advanced options or modify, you're going to click on it. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate and then click on repair. Wait for this to load. And now once you've done that, you just want to go back to CMD. Now your scan should be completed by now. If it's not been completed, you just want to wait for it to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.